Yesterday I took a ride to the lakefront, and I really didn't have any particular destination in mind, but I have to say that I always find that when I choose to ride my bike over driving in my car, I see things that I know I wouldn't have seen otherwise. And yesterday, as I rode up the lakefront and stopped to look at some of the monuments or statues that are up and down Lakeshore Drive, and gave thought to a lot of the discussions that are going on right now about what monuments mean to us and what is the message that they send. So I kind of monument hopped up the lakeshore, and when I stopped at one, I found an old skateboard leaning up against one of them. And you know, I've seen skateboards that people have left behind before and have always assumed that they would come back to get them and left them where I found them. But on closer examination, I found that this skateboard had clearly been left there by someone who had found it in the water. And some of those clear indications to me included the fact that the deck was completely delaminated, the wheels were encrusted with zebra mussels, as were the trucks. So that path of monument hopping led to this find, which is going to be our next project. So like many of the projects that we've worked on in the past, there's a series of steps that we'll go through to figure out how best to clean that resource up, how to source the parts to repair what might be salvageable, and so I look forward to working with you on this project. Thanks for coming back.